Hello friends, today in this session we are going to discuss about hydrolysis of ester. Here the ester can be hydrolyzed into the two different mediums, namely one is the acidic medium, another is a basic medium. But where the student is making very silly mistake in the hydrolysis of the ester, everyone knows about this hydrolysis of the ester R C double bond O R dash in order to distinguish both the alkyl group, which is an hydrolysis H2O. What is happened in the acidic medium, let us suppose, or the basic medium. Here what should be the formed one? R C double bond O OH plus R dash OH is the formed product, means ester on hydrolysis to form carboxylic acid as well as the alcohol. This alcohol containing oxygen atom does it is from the ester or does it come from the water molecule is the important one. To distinguish that, here I am labeling that oxygen atom isotopic oxygen, that is instead of the 16 atomic weight, here 18 is the atomic weight of the oxygen is considered. Here always alcoholic oxygen atom, the alcohol which comes the oxygen, that is from the ester group but not from the water molecule. Now here the acid hydrolysis or acidic medium, all the acidic medium hydrolysis of the ester is a reversible reaction, whereas a basic medium hydrolysis is a irreversible process. What kind of the elementary steps which are involved in this reaction is here R C double bond O R dash is given. First, in the presence of H plus ion or acidic medium, here the oxygen containing the lone pair of electron density more, here is the electron scarcity is there, that's what which attracts the proton. As a result, for the sake of my convenience, R C double bond OH, oxygen lost its electron, that's what it carries a positive charge, and this side is a O and R dash is there. Now here the reversible step, now the attacking of water molecule H2O for the sake of our convenience. Here oxygen being is a more electronegative, that's what it tend to pull the electrons towards oxygen. Now the carbon acquires the positive charge, nothing but electrophile. This the water molecule is acting as a nucleophile, which makes a bond that is called as a nucleophilic addition reaction. This step is a slow step, we know well. As far as the study of the kinetics of the reaction, the rate is depending on only the slow step. Hence this step determines the rate, hence it is called rate determining step. Now what should be the formed one is a R, here is a O and H, here O, H, H is there, this side is a O and R dash is present. Oxygen lost its electron, that's what it carries a positive charge. This intermediate is called as a tetrahedral intermediate. Tetrahedral intermediate is formed in the acid hydrolysis of the ester. Now what the thing happened here is for this reversible reaction, here the oxygen containing a lone pair of electron that attract this proton, as a result it gives electrons towards this side. Now what should be the formed one? R O H, and this side is a OH is given, here is a O R dash and H is formed, it lost its electron, that's what carries positive charge. Now here when these electrons are given this side, the loss of the alcoholic molecule will take place, both the simultaneously will take place. One is the loss of the H plus ion will take place, another one is loss of ROH is also taken place to form R C double bond OH. This is the acidic medium. If you want to study the isotopic weight of the oxygen is here is a 18 is there, here is also 18, oxygen atomic weight is 18, here is atomic weight is 18. That oxygen atom is as a part of the alcohol, means alcohol is containing oxygen atom is came from the ester group itself, but it is not came from water molecule. Acidic medium hydrolysis of the ester is a It is a reversible process. Basic medium is a irreversible process. Now if you want to study the kinetics of the reaction, rate is directly proportional to whatever that the slow step process is a RC double bond OH plus is presented here. On this side is a OR dash concentration as well as H2O concentration. Now by removing the proportionality, rate is equal to K into, instead of this molecule I am making conclusion this one. Here RC double bond OR dash and H plus ion concentration and H2O concentration. Here the order of the reaction is a 1 but the molecularity of the reaction is a 2. Hence this reaction is an example for pseudo first order reaction, or also it seems to be like a second order but it is first order reaction. Hence it is called pseudo first order reaction. Now the hydrolysis of an ester in presence of the base, which is also used the preparation of the salts of the carboxylic acid as well as the alcohol. Here what type of the mechanism that undergone by this reaction? Here RC double bond O R dash is present. I said the basic hydrolysis of the ester is a irreversible process. The base is a OH minus. Here the electron density or electronegativity of the oxygen is greater. It gets partial negative and partial positive. Hence it undergoes nucleophilic addition reaction. Here R O minus, on this side is a O R dash is there. Here is a O and H. Now when the back taking of this electron or this step is a slow step which determines the rate of a reaction, that we call as a rate determining step. Now when it is taken back the electron, this along with the oxygen is moving out. Hence RC double bond O and H, another one is a R dash O minus. Now intramolecular proton transfer will take place from the acid to the alcohol. Now RC double bond O minus plus ROH is a formed one, that the salts of the carboxylic acid as well as the alcohol is a formed product. Here is also, if you want to test the isotopic weight of the oxygen that is used as a tracer, that the oxygen is come over from the ester itself. Hence this alcohol containing the isotopic weight of the oxygen is 18. Now the rate of this reaction is equal to rate constant into slow step is a ester RC double bond O R dash as well as the nucleophile concentration. Then the rate with respect to the ester is the 1 as well as the rate with respect to the nucleophile is also 1. The overall order of the reaction is a 2 as well as the molecularity is also 2. Like this, the basic hydrolysis of the ester is a irreversible process. Let us take an example is here the CH3 C double bond OCH3 is given, methyl ethanoate or methyl acetate is given. Like acidic hydrolysis is given, H plus acidic hydrolysis. Now what will happen? The bond is broken here or the bond is broken here is a major important one. In order to know that the oxygen is taken as a tracer, hence what should be the formed product is a CH3 C double bond OH plus CH3OH. Now the isotopic weight of the oxygen is considered here. Not only this one, any of, like for example, ethyl benzoate is present, OC2H5 is given, which is also on hydrolysis in presence of an acid. What should be the formed product is a COOH plus ethyl alcohol. Means ester on hydrolysis to form, if it is a basic medium, the salts of the carboxylic acid and alcohol. If it is acidic medium, carboxylic acid and esters are the formed products.